To celebrate Women's History Month, which I think should be every month, I'm going to teach you how to draw something very close to my heart: iconic women in history. Come along and join me. I'm Ann Shen, and I'm an author and illustrator living in Los Angeles with my husband and our small menagerie of animals. I've written and illustrated 3 best-selling books on iconic women, including Bad Girls Throughout History, Legendary Ladies, and Nevertheless She Wore, all published by Chronicle Books. So I've literally drawn hundreds of iconic women. Their stories inspire me to create beautiful art to celebrate their legacies, and I love sharing them with the world through my work. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to create an iconic original image of a woman who inspires you that celebrates their power and authenticity. We'll go through my method of finding good reference images, doing research, doing sketch studies, creating an original drawing, and how to finish a painting in Photoshop. Now let's get inspired together.